Not warm by any means, but as you were pointing out, the little bit of snow for most people that fell likely gone at this point.
Yeah, especially with some sun that's broken through and a lot of the places that saw snow yesterday.
Just enough to get rid of it.
Yeah, wanted to share some great sights from last night, Brian. This is an incredible shot. Stephen, really talented with the camera there from Harrison. This is long exposure photography, so it did not appear like this to the naked eye. To most people, though, it did appear more like this to the naked eye with some of those red pillars. And if you're with us at 12:30 on News Center Maine Plus, we'll talk a little bit more in depth about why last night maybe there was so much action when it was first expected to be tonight, but there is a chance to again see the northern lights tonight. It will depend on cloud cover though, and that will be a challenge again tonight because you look to our west, you see snow showers, clouds here, and all of this is going to be moving gradually in our direction. But right now there is still a clear sky over parts of down east and northern Maine, some breaks of sunshine around the Belgrade Lakes and Waterville, and it's mostly cloudy through Cumberland and York counties. Low 40s though, we're doing pretty good along the coastline and to most of central and eastern Maine. 30s up in the mountains, but it doesn't have the bite that it did yesterday. There isn't too much wind out there. So 2 o'clock this afternoon, there could be a sprinkle or flurry out there, but most of us will stay dry. And then this evening, it is going to be mostly cloudy, but if you looked closely, you might have noticed a break in the cloud here or there. This particular model is probably one of our cloudier ones, so I think there could be some breaks in the clouds. You got a chance to see the aurora tonight if that does come to fruition again as it did last night. And then later tonight, there will be some flurries and snow showers that develop in the mountains and try to come south. Tomorrow, I think we've got a chance for some of these snow and rain showers around. It's not anything particularly heavy, but temperatures should be rising up above 40 in the afternoon. So it looks like mainly rain showers for most of us, with most of the snow showers being in the mountains. That said, there could be some coatings, especially if you get a morning snow shower while it's still cold. Up in the mountains, though, we're looking at a couple of inches with elevation through tomorrow night. Friday looks mainly dry, partly sunny with temperatures in the low 40s. And then on Saturday, it's a bit brighter, but still on the cool side. Highs only around 40. And the next system we're watching comes in on Sunday, and this has been on the maps for a while. I will say the one trend I have noticed in both of our major models is they look a little warmer. So the snow may be confined to the mountains and far north, and you see that on both of these here, whereas the rain is more common in central and southern Maine. Again, we've got a ways to watch it, but that's the trends we're seeing right now, and we'll keep you posted as we get closer to it. Seas tomorrow 4 to 6 feet, or out there today, I should say, 4 to 6 feet with a small craft advisory that's in effect. So it's mostly cloudy today. Again, maybe a flake or drop, but most of the time is dry. Some mixed rain and snow showers tomorrow, and then it's partly sunny for Friday and Saturday. Saturday probably the nicest looking day in the forecast. It should be a bit brighter. And then for Sunday, Brian, it looks more wet than white unless you're up in the higher elevations. So, you know, the mountains have a chance for some accumulating snow, but we'll just have to see how that plays out between now and then.
The rest of us will just be rainy.
Yeah.
Okay, Brian, thanks so much.
You're welcome.